Welcome back to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you will always stay connected and never miss the next natural beauty secret that supports your glow and confidence. Introduction: The surprising secret in your kitchen. Sometimes, the most powerful beauty secrets hide in the simplest places, in your kitchen. Imagine opening your cupboard and finding an ingredient you may normally use for cooking or baking, but which can also become a natural beauty booster. That ingredient is cornstarch. Mixed with something as basic as water, it can transform into a smooth cream that feels soothing on your skin. Many people are amazed at how this simple mixture can create a fresher, more youthful appearance, as if the skin had been renewed from within. But cornstarch is only the beginning. Nature provides us with a whole treasure chest of ingredients that can support your skin's glow, smoothness, and vitality. Let us look at some of them together. The power of cornstarch. Cornstarch may seem ordinary, but when blended with water, it creates a soft, silky cream that can be applied directly to the skin. It gives a mattifying effect, absorbs excess oil, and leaves the skin feeling smooth. To prepare it, mix about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it forms a creamy, lump-free texture. Apply this mixture evenly to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off gently with lukewarm water. It is a simple, natural way to give your skin a refreshed and smooth sensation. Parsley, a gentle freshness boost. Parsley is often used in cooking, but it can also play a role in beauty care. This green herb is rich in vitamins and has been linked to skin-supporting properties. For a quick parsley mask, chop a handful of fresh parsley. Mix it with a little water or natural yogurt to form a paste. Apply it to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Parsley adds freshness, while yogurt provides probiotics that may help support the skin's natural balance. Together, they create a light, cooling mask for a more radiant look. Flax seeds, nature's gentle moisture secret. Flax seeds are tiny, but they are full of valuable fiber and healthy fats. They can be used both internally as food and externally in skincare. For a flax seed gel mask, take about 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Add 1 cup of water and simmer until the mixture becomes thick and gel-like. Strain the seeds and keep the gel. Let it cool, then apply the gel to your face for about 20 minutes. The gel forms a natural, gentle film on the skin that may help keep it smooth and supple. It feels calming and leaves a soft finish. Aloe vera, cooling and soothing hydration. Aloe vera is a true classic in natural skincare. Its gel is known for being cooling, refreshing, and soothing on the skin. You can use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant or buy pure aloe vera gel without additives. Apply a thin layer to your face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off or gently massage the rest into your skin. Aloe vera can provide hydration and a refreshing sensation, making your skin feel calm and cared for. Ginger, the warming beauty spice. Ginger is often celebrated in the kitchen, but it also has a place in beauty care. Its natural warmth can stimulate circulation, bringing a gentle glow to the skin. For a simple ginger mask, grate a small piece of fresh ginger. Mix it with a spoon of honey to balance the intensity. Apply carefully to your skin, avoiding sensitive areas. Leave for about 10 minutes, then rinse off gently. The combination of ginger and honey feels invigorating and leaves the skin refreshed. Lemon, brightness in a drop. Lemon is known for its freshness and its natural scent. In beauty routines, it is often used for its brightening effect. For a light lemon toner, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Mix it with equal parts water. Apply with a cotton pad, avoiding the eyes and sensitive skin. This simple mixture can leave the skin feeling clean, refreshed, and radiant. Argan oil, the golden touch. Argan oil is often called liquid gold for beauty. It is light, absorbs easily, and leaves the skin feeling soft and nourished. You can simply place a few drops of argan oil on your fingertips and massage it gently into your skin after cleansing. It works beautifully as a natural moisturizer and gives the skin a silky finish. Oranges, a burst of freshness. Oranges are juicy, bright, and filled with life. The juice can also be used in beauty routines for its refreshing touch. For a quick orange face splash, mix freshly squeezed orange juice with a little water. Apply gently with a cotton pad or spray bottle. The natural freshness of oranges makes the skin feel awakened and energized. Rice, a timeless beauty secret. In many Asian cultures, rice water has been used for centuries in skincare rituals. It is said to leave the skin feeling smooth and fresh. To prepare rice water. Rinse a small handful of rice. Boil it in water, then strain the liquid once the rice is cooked. Let the liquid cool, and use it as a gentle toner. This simple method transforms a kitchen staple into a natural beauty aid. Coconut oil, silky care from nature. Coconut oil has become one of the most popular natural beauty products worldwide. It melts on the skin, feels soft, and can be used for the face, hair, and body. Simply warm a small amount between your hands and massage it into your skin or hair. It leaves a silky, smooth sensation and a light, tropical scent. Bringing it all together. Cornstarch with water. Fresh parsley. Flax seeds. Aloe vera. Ginger. Lemon. Argan oil. Oranges. Rice. Coconut oil. These are not luxury products. They are natural, simple, and available in almost every kitchen. And yet, when used with care, they can make your skin feel refreshed, smooth, and radiant. It is not about expensive creams or complicated routines. It is about reconnecting with nature and discovering how much beauty is already available in the simplest ingredients. If you enjoyed discovering these natural beauty secrets, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty. By joining our community, you'll never miss the next simple, inspiring tip to support your glow and well-being. And tell us in the comments. Which of these recipes will you try first, the cornstarch cream, rose water, or cucumber water?